How to register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for bankofamerica.com. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page. At the top right corner, tap on Menu and then click on Continue to log in. It will open up this page. Well, as we're looking on to create an account, tap on Enroll. It will land you on the interface where you'll get to create an account for your online banking. So the first thing you want to enter is card or account number, your last digit of your card, and then enter your social security number, SSN or tax ID number. Once you have entered those information, simply tap on Continue, and your account will be registered successfully. They will give you one username and the password for you. And then you can go back and right here enter the username and the password. Once you are done, tap on Login, and your mobile banking account will be successfully logged in, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial here on how to register and create an account with Bank of America Online Banking. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.